Welcome, in front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how you can record screen without using any external application. So we have to simply go for the settings at the first, then go for the gaming, and you have to enable Xbox Game Bar, this switcher. You have to make it on the blue color, and here you'll find shortcut how you can record your screen. So there's Windows key, Alt and G. And if you want to start or stop recording, you have to click Windows, Alt and R. So let's try it. Of course, we cannot record here desktop. We have to be in the application, in the folder, in the browser or in the game. So when I am in the browser, I have to click Windows, Alt and the G. And there will be the Xbox Game Bar. And right now I'm able to record by tapping here. As you can see, there is. There's the capture status. You can move it with your mouse. Wait a minute, where is mine? Oh, here. So you can just click, hold, and then put it, for example, here in this place. And when we click outside, right now we can continue with recording. When you go back to the desktop, the record will be automatically finished, or no. Oh yeah, okay. I thought there is some kind of the bug, but as you can see, it was stopped. And when you want to find your records, you have to go for the videos, captures, and there it is. And for sure, if you want to record your desktop, you have to use an external apps. There's a lot of them that you can find. So yeah, as you can see, that's how our record looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.